It's so much easier than getting up on the ladder. Oh.
This is a piece that I cut several years back, and then it went into my graveyard. It's time to bring it.
I'm just taking screenshots.
Several videos back I created a scorpion, and for that piece I added dots with thick paint to create a texture to be painted over. That concept is what I'm doing to this crocodile, but I'm using hot glue to create that texture. I am making this piece with someone blind in mind because I want them to be able to see this piece by feeling it. Here around the head is where the meat of this alligator kind of is wrinkled and bunched up. This is Florida, people. Now, as much as this hurts, I'm gonna cut this fish out. I have to do this in order to move to the next stage. If you haven't seen these teeth before from another video, they're teeth that I gathered from an alligator that was hit on the side of the road.
Just got a fresh catch.